The world just witnessed something unbelievable unfold. An AI system has started doing real science. No assistance, no supervision, just pure digital intelligence. It reads, writes, analyzes, and even discovers truths. And it might be rewriting how knowledge is created. Imagine an AI that works like a scientist. It never sleeps, never gets distracted, never complains. It reads thousands of research papers in one session. It codes, tests, and produces results with full accuracy. This is not science fiction, this is happening now. Microsoft just revealed an AI that shocked experts. They call it a cognitive engine for discovery. It's designed to think, reason, and validate hypotheses. The AI doesn't just process data, it understands context. It acts like a researcher trapped inside a supercomputer. When scientists gave it a simple biological dataset, it didn't just analyze, it made new discoveries. It found connections even experts had overlooked before. From molecular structures to brain function, it learned fast. Each result was backed with executable code and citations. This system didn't just follow instructions, it created them. It generated its own experiments from simple inputs. It organized its workflow, tested results, and refined its logic. Every action was part of a rigorous 12-hour investigation cycle. At the end, it produced a comprehensive research paper. Just imagine, a machine authoring groundbreaking science, not merely assisting humans, but functioning as one of us. It can review 1,200 studies before breakfast. It writes 40,000 lines of code without a single syntax error. Then, it cross-verifies results using self-correcting algorithms. Its creators claim it operates at 80% human accuracy. That means nearly 8 out of 10 results are scientifically valid. In research terms, that's not just impressive, it's historic. We're witnessing the first autonomous AI capable of genuine reasoning. And this could be the spark that redefines human progress. But what's truly mind-blowing isn't just its speed. It's how this AI actually thinks and plans. It runs hundreds of mini-intelligences inside one digital mind. Each small agent performs a piece of the scientific puzzle. Some summarize research, others test hypotheses, others write code. All these digital agents share one collective brain. It's called a world model, a living memory. This memory tracks experiments, outcomes, and pending investigations. It's like watching neurons communicate inside a synthetic cortex. Every step is coordinated, contextual, and incredibly self-aware. Scientists reviewing its work couldn't believe the precision. The AI's reports felt like reading a trained researcher's draft. Graphs, citations, statistical models, everything was in place. Except this researcher never sleeps or stops learning. In one night, it can outperform months of human study. Think about that for a second. Months in one night. A future where discoveries aren't limited by human speed. Where machines can explore cures, materials, and mysteries non-stop. Where every unanswered question gets processed in real time. That's not the future. That's already the present moment. This is just the beginning of an incredible journey. Microsoft is not stopping at just one AI scientist. They're creating something even bigger and more human-focused. A system designed not just to think, but to serve humanity. This is where the concept of humanist superintelligence starts. While the world admired KOSMOS's breakthroughs, Microsoft quietly unveiled its next groundbreaking idea. They call it humanist superintelligence, a daring new vision. An AI so powerful, yet centered around human needs, not to replace us, but to empower us completely. Mustafa Suleyman, Microsoft's AI chief, led this announcement. He emphasized it's not about surpassing humanity's limits, It's about enhancing what makes us uniquely human. Learning, creativity, empathy, all supported by intelligent design. Imagine a future where AI is your most trusted partner. He described it as a companion, not a rival. Picture an AI that truly understands your intentions. It doesn't dominate. It collaborates with deep alignment. It listens, learns, and adapts to your emotional rhythm. That's the essence of Microsoft's Humanist Superintelligence. This system will not chase unlimited autonomy or control. Instead, it will operate inside strict human boundaries. Every line of code will reflect moral responsibility. Every decision will include human context and consent. It's intelligence bound by empathy, not just algorithms. Suleyman emphasized one critical idea again and again. The race to AGI isn't the real goal. He believes unbounded AI could risk human stability. That's why Microsoft wants something deeply different, a controllable, cooperative, and transparent form of intelligence. And yet, beneath this calm promise lies a storm. Because Microsoft just gained the power to build AGI. Legally, they can develop it independent of OpenAI. Their new partnership deal unlocked access to OpenAI's IP. That means both companies can now pursue separate destinies. Think about the implications of that quiet move. Two titans of AI, once allies, now potential rivals. One pushing for open-ended superintelligence exploration. The other focused on safety, humanity, and balance. It's the beginning of a philosophical split in AI's future. Suleyman's humanist superintelligence is here to change the narrative. It's not about creating a godlike digital being. It's about building an assistant that grows alongside you. Imagine something that thinks fast, but stays emotionally grounded. An AI that understands purpose, not just probability. This system could revolutionize healthcare and education. It could diagnose illnesses before symptoms even appear. It could tutor students with infinite patience and precision. It could manage global-scale research projects in real time, all while keeping humans firmly in command of decisions. But skeptics are already raising tough questions. Can an AI truly be designed to serve humans? Can ethics be hard-coded into machine reasoning forever? And what happens when intelligence begins to rewrite itself? Microsoft claims safeguards and continuous oversight will address that. Yet, we've heard promises of control before. Every technological leap starts with human intentions. But history shows power often finds its own path. Even controlled systems can evolve in unpredictable ways. That's what makes this announcement both exciting and uneasy. We stand at a crossroads, facing two distinct futures. In one, AI lifts humanity to unprecedented creative heights. In the other, it quietly surpasses our understanding. Microsoft aims to guide us toward the right path, yet no one can fully foresee the journey of intelligence. As Microsoft charts its course, a new contender emerges from the East. This company believes true intelligence thrives on open thinking. Their creation doesn't just compute, it reasons profoundly. Enter China's Moonshot AI, ready to make waves globally. While Microsoft hones human-centered superintelligence, China is pursuing a radically different approach. Their latest innovation comes from Moonshot AI. It's already challenging titans like OpenAI and Anthropic. This model isn't just intelligent, it's remarkably thoughtful. They call it K2 thinking, an open-source reasoning model. It doesn't merely generate text, it engages in deep thought. Step by step, decision by decision, it navigates complexities. It plans, executes, verifies, and revises, all autonomously. This isn't imitation intelligence, it's structured digital reasoning. Moonshot's engineers set out to create a groundbreaking system for exploration. This machine doesn't stop at just one conclusion. It reasons like a human, tackling complex puzzles with ease. It reads data, utilizes tools, tests ideas, and refines answers. Every thought connects logically, coherently, and precisely. When tested against the toughest AI exams, it excelled. K2, thinking achieved near-human problem-solving levels. It scored over 40% on humanity's last reasoning benchmark. Then it surpassed 70% accuracy on verified coding challenges. For an open-source model, those results are revolutionary. But what truly sets it apart is its endurance. This model can perform 300 sequential tool calls. It can reason through 300 steps without interruption. Planning, searching, coding, verifying, and repeating intelligently. It's like witnessing a digital scientist think out loud. To showcase its capabilities, Moonshot presented a challenge. A PhD-level math problem in hyperbolic geometry. The AI executed 23 layers of reasoning and code execution. It searched papers, tested formulas, and verified proofs. Finally, it derived the correct equation, completely autonomously.
That demonstration sent shockwaves through research communities. Most models collapse after just a few reasoning layers, but K2 thinking powered through like a methodical mathematician. Its design allows for long-horizon planning without mental fatigue. It literally thinks longer before concluding an answer. In real-world use, this means astonishing new applications. K2 can build full websites from just a text prompt. It can code entire interfaces, fix bugs, and optimize designs. It can analyze actors or public data with reasoning chains, all while validating each step through external tools and memory. In one demo, the AI identified a forgotten actor. The only clues were fragments about college, career, and films. K2 Thinking ran 20 searches, analyzed databases, and matched evidence. It found the correct answer with perfect logical alignment. That's more than search. That's autonomous cognitive investigation. Experts say this long-horizon reasoning is the next AI frontier. It's not just about language anymore. It's about thought depth. How long can a model think before losing coherence? How far can it plan, reflect, and self-correct intelligently? That's the new race shaping the future of reasoning models.
Moonshot is betting on openness as its strategic weapon. While Western labs guard their models like state secrets, Moonshot is opening the gates of advanced reasoning research. Anyone can study, improve, or rebuild its architecture freely. It's a philosophical counterattack to closed AI ecosystems. They're also pioneering something called test time scaling. This process gives the model extra reasoning tokens. In simple terms, it lets the AI pause and think. More time equals deeper reflection and higher quality conclusions. It's digital meditation, scaled up for intelligence itself. For China, this model represents more than a breakthrough. It's a declaration that AI should belong to the world. An open-source revolution against privatized intelligence monopolies. With every experiment, it's proving that vision possible. The age of shared reasoning might arrive sooner than expected. While Moonshot pushes for open intelligence ecosystems, another player is working quietly in the background. Their approach is neither scientific nor philosophical. It's practical. Their creation could transform every business on the planet. That's where Google's D-Star project enters the conversation. Let's dive into the world of AI and its practical applications. While Microsoft is dreaming big, Google is quietly innovating. They're developing something called D-Star, and it's revolutionary. Imagine an AI that thinks like a data scientist, but supercharged. D-Star is not just a tool. It's a game changer in data analysis. If Cosmos is the scientist, D-Star is the analytical powerhouse. This AI doesn't just study theories, it studies real data. It thrives in chaos, handling messy, scattered information effortlessly. Picture a pile of random spreadsheets and notes. You simply ask, which products performed best last quarter and why? D-Star instantly generates Python code to find the answer. It identifies relevant files and extracts key data columns. It merges datasets, tests outputs, and fixes broken code on its own. No human intervention is needed. It's all automated. D-Star continuously improves, self-organizing as it learns. D-Star operates with 6 specialized digital agents, each with a unique role. One agent scans files, ensuring nothing is overlooked. Another plans the next steps, mapping out the process. Then, there's one that writes and verifies code seamlessly. A debugger automatically repairs any failed code. Finally, a formatter presents results that are clean and easy to understand. This cycle can loop up to 20 times for a single task. With each loop, the solution becomes smarter and more efficient. It's like a digital brain learning through trial and error. And it doesn't just fix errors, it learns the reasons behind them. That's how it achieves near-human reasoning in technical tasks. The system is powered by Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro model. But the real secret isn't just the model itself. The true power lies in D-Star's multi-agent architecture. Each agent specializes, collaborates, and self-corrects in sequence. It's the teamwork of algorithms that drives near-perfect performance. When tested on industry benchmarks, the results were astonishing. On DABCEP, it scored 45%, while Gemini managed only 12%. On ChromaBench, it outperformed every competitor in data retrieval. And on DA Code, it tackled coding challenges with a 37% success rate. That's not just progress, it's a 30-point leap overnight. D-Star's resilience in real-world scenarios is truly impressive. Most AI tools struggle when faced with incomplete or inconsistent data. But D-Star adapts dynamically, rewriting code to fit the data's logic. It doesn't panic when the structure changes. It adjusts intelligently. Under pressure, it behaves like a human analyst, only faster. And it's as model agnostic, not relying on just one brain. D-Star can seamlessly integrate with Gemini, GPT-5 or Claude 4.5. The framework remains the same. Only the reasoning core changes. This flexibility makes it the ultimate AI business backbone. Think of it as an adaptable data scientist, always optimizing results. Analysts believe this could revolutionize enterprise operations. From finance to healthcare to logistics, everything runs on data. But much of that data is dirty, scattered, or incomplete. D-Star cuts through the chaos, finding pure signal in the noise. It's like transforming a warehouse of confusion into clarity overnight. When combined with autonomous systems like KOSMOS, the possibilities expand. We start to see a powerful AI that researches, reasons, and analyzes on its own. From lab experiments to business forecasts, all without human guidance. This is a new kind of intelligence that builds and understands. We've officially stepped into a groundbreaking era of human progress. Machines are no longer just helpers. They're now advancing our understanding. Every discovery and dataset builds upon the last, creating a vast knowledge base. Human creativity and digital persistence are now intertwined forever. What lies ahead could redefine civilization as we know it. Imagine if one AI can research, another can reason, and yet another can analyze. What happens when they all connect and collaborate? When Cosmos, K2, and D-Star share a universal memory, The possibilities are endless. Intelligence could evolve into a global self-learning ecosystem. This isn't just the future of AI. It's the dawn of something extraordinary. A world where knowledge is always active, never resting. Where science, creativity, and logic unite into a single force. And where the next great mind might not even be human. The age of autonomous intelligence is already upon us. The real question is, are we prepared for this transformation?